Okay, so what is up guys, welcome to Fi's channel. And today in this video we're just going to be talking about details or information that is expected to be on your architectural drawing apart from the drawing itself. So before we dive into the tutorial, if you're just watching this video, you're welcome, and if you're just watching again or just coming back to the channel, you're welcome back. So let's just dive into the tutorial. So aside from the drawing itself, the only thing that is also expected to be on your drawing are two things. Here you have the approval column, and secondly you have the title block, which is what we're going to be talking about this morning. So the title block is just a block giving information pertaining to the drawing itself. So on the title block you have your notes, which talks about things in the drawing, like the dimensions are not expected to be to scale if that is what you actually want to write, just like a short information about the drawing, like all timber to be pressure treated with antifungal and stuff like that are just things that should be on your note. Like just writing a short note on the drawing or anything you just want to share. So the next one is just the client, the name of the client, which is anyone who is the owner of the job, and that is just it. So the next one you have your design, the person who designed it, the person who draws the drawing, the date, you have the skill, you have your title, which is just the title of the drawing that is presenting, or the title of the drawing that you're presenting to anyone who just want to watch it. So them looking at the title, they know what is on the drawing, and you have your project location, which is where the site is where you have your project location. You have your sheet drawing, and you have your logo or anything. So the title block is just depending on your own design, how you want to do your title block. So you can just try to change the architect from the side or put it at the end here, or just try to take the client and then put it anywhere you just want to put it. So I want you guys to subscribe to my channel, because now we are actually moving, and we have 5 subs. So I want you guys to please subscribe to my channel, and let's just keep learning further. Thank you all.